Hi everyone, my name is Rishi. I'm the co-founder of Digital Scholar, and today we have Priya, who is a student of Digital Scholars 3 months program. Welcome to the show, Priya.
Thank you, sir.
And can you tell us some background about yourself, where you're from, and what you're doing currently?
So actually, I am in residential of Indian, but from last few years, I'm from Malaysia, and there I have some small business of mine, basically food business. At the same time, I was working in an NGO as a volunteer there into social media itself. So this is what a small intro. As if now I'm in India due to some work, but otherwise I placed in Kenya.
You live in Malaysia, right?
Yeah, Kuala
And
Lumpur.
superb. And what was the reason behind doing digital marketing or learning digital marketing?
So the basic reason to get into digital was to get updated along with the world as it's going digital. So basic reason was there. At the same time, my study background itself, I've done my advertising, that is a bachelor's in mass media. So wanted to get updated. So that is what the force behind digital thing.
Makes sense. And what was the reason of choosing Digital Scholar? How did you get to know being in Malaysia?
So actually, I have attended many of yours and Saurabh sirs and other webinars earlier. So that was the main basic reason which enforced me to join Digital Scholar, nothing else.
Okay,
And
amazing.
it was amazing. It's an amazing journey. I wish to continue with the same.
Definitely. So, how was the first part? Like you have done the first part of the course and you wait to do the second part of the course, which is later. But how was your journey
Yeah.
on the first part of the course?
First part of the course was amazing. Basically, the way the teachers are, especially the lecturers, speakers are, they are very soft spoken and down to earth, and they are ready to help anytime. So that was my first experience, because getting back into the workspace of digital world after a long time. So the whole support team was there, and it was a nice journey to get into learnings of the new things, especially.
Okay, awesome. And what was your favorite module out of the things that you've done? What was your favorite module?
The favorite module was, obviously, I enjoyed the content writing with Ashutosh sir, and the other part was amazing things which I learned from Karthik sir, and especially the tools which I'm still missing, but still the tools which you shared, the specific small tools which actually I use in my some day-to-day lives. That is what the thing is.
Amazing, Priya. So thank you so much for actually joining Digital Scholar and
Thanks,
trusting us.
thanks to you for giving an opportunity.
Definitely, and we look forward to hosting you and continue this amazing relationship that we share. So thank you for doing the interview, and I'm going to catch up again with you soon.
Yeah, so and one small message